Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today we're going to change the starter on the wheel horse tractor. Why? Because it broke. As soon as we got our first snow and I needed to get out there and test that the plow on the front of this thing, the starter wouldn't wind the engine. You know, the teeth on the thing on the end of the thingamabob wasn't making connection with the other thing inside of the tractor that makes the engine spin and makes the engine fire up and go. It wasn't working out, so I ended up having to order a new starter, and we're going to replace it together right now. And it's quick too. It was actually one of the easiest parts I've ever removed off of anything, you know, let alone a vehicle of anything. Okay guys, I know you're going, whoa, slow down, back it up. What is with that big beautiful hat on your head? I know you're all asking yourself that right now, and I'm here to tell you about it. This right here is a Christmas present to myself. It is real fur. It's very fuzzy. It's very warm inside, and it comes from the Ukraine. It's Ukrainian, and it's on my head. And you might ask, why such a big fuzzy thing? You know, and it's like I like fuzzy things, big soft things, beavers. I don't know what this is. I do. It's written down somewhere, but I don't remember. Man, is it soft? You guys see how bright it is back there? Is that sky like changing blue and white with the camera lens? It's like, it's kind of 3D-ish. Yep, so that's why. It's big, it's beautiful, it's fuzzy, it's soft, it's so soft. Oh my God. If you guys were ever looking for something soft, maybe if I'll get a link in the description box for you so you can feel how soft one of these are yourself. Love it. You can rub in circles. This whole thing is fuzz all the way around. I'm gonna go like a fashion show model, this baby. But you know what? We've got to get back to the project at hand, because I got some stuff coming for the cabin, and I got to be able to plow out, you know, about yay much snow back to it so they can get the materials back there. Very interesting the way that look, the light, the sun is like makes this like blue and the white and the white and the green like makes like a seafoam green in there, and it's flashing in and out. I can't wait to see this back later. We're gonna see how well it's flashing. Why is it that soft, man? That's so much fuzz. Jeez, you ever needed a fucking big muff on your head? This is it right here, dude. Wow. Wintertime at its finest. It is so incredibly warm. Ooh, warm. Tractor. We're 3 minutes in, and we should be working on a tractor. Look how bright it is out there. You guys see that? That's incredible. Man, whew. Beautiful. All right, so back to the wheel horse. It's an old wheel horse tractor. It needs a starter. I got a starter. I got the old one, and I got the new one. I'm going to show you them both, and we'll compare. And I'll give you my reasoning why, you know, we know why the one's F'd and the A and the other one's ready to go, eh? You know, if we were in Canada, eh? Not. Sorry. So anyways, so let's get it. Got the battery charger on here right now. You know, it's been sitting for a while and it's really cold out, so we're gonna get this charged up real quick so when we hit the start button it goes. But here they are, right here. This is obviously the old one. If you weren't sure, you know, hey, you know now. This is the old one. This is what went wrong with it right here. You can see these teeth are worn flat. They weren't making connection in the engine. See those teeth on the new one. You know, big difference. Plus, and I think the reasoning why this one quit, this thing will still wind all day long. The motor's good and everything. It just needs this top piece is actually what's bad. You see how this rotates and comes out? It just sticks. It doesn't actually drop back into the motor. And I'm guessing only because nothing was ever greased, cleaned, or anything like that, because that could have been prevented, but it wasn't. So this would go out to start the engine. When you turn the key, this kicks out into the engine. This makes contact with the engine, it spins it, and hence it fires up. When it does, this should retract. But I think it was staying there and just kept spinning and grinding with everything else, and it just wore it down. So we're gonna put this new one in. Let's see, take a look at this one here. Let's bring this one out. Instant retraction. Awesome, that's the way it's supposed to work. So we're gonna bolt this in. I already removed it from before. Of course, we're on the sun side. There's these 2 bolts right here, and that's it. It just slides straight into that dark hole, that little dark slot where my finger's pointing. And then we'll connect this one wire right here. To that bolt right there when it's all done. That's the power. The negative's actually the frame. It bolts to the frame. The frame's grounded. That's where we get that from. So we're gonna remove those bolts and put this starter in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here today to replace a starter on my wheel horse tractor. Why? Because the first time it snowed, it pounded down the motherfucking dogs. What is fucking wrong with you guys? You wait till the record button goes and then you fucking go off. Jesus. Well, anyways, let's back to this. Let's do this all over from the scratch and the fresh. Pieces, ladies and gentlemen. You know I love you all, today, tomorrow, and forever.